BBQ Rando Ranch with the one, the only. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello!
Sergeant Pyro, we got something here. We can't see the whole word, but what is it and who's it from?
It's Disturbance by Sunwing Fireworks.
Whoa! Now, I got to tell you, this is one pretty tall fountain. Of course, safe and sane city in Arizona. Is there a performance on it tonight?
There is.
Yes, there is. Okay. So it says it has 1, 2, 3, special white strobe, special green strobe, special red, green, white strobe. Huh, why did you just say that to begin with? All right, let's flip it around there for the viewers. All right, we can see up here, there's the logo. Sunwing, caution! All right, you know what to caution for? Sergeant Pyro's here. Are you ready to go to the street pad?
Let's go!
Off we go! All right, Sergeant Pyro, let's get disturbance! Or let's get disturbed. Whoa! 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 There she goes! BBQ